In this video I show you how to fix Asus TUF Gaming F15 laptop not working. So for this you can consider these steps. Number 1. Check power source. Ensure the power adapter is securely connected to the laptop and a working power outlet. Try a different power outlet to rule out power supply issues. Check the power adapter for any physical damage. Number 2. Force restart. Unplug the power adapter. Remove the battery if accessible. Number 3. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Number 4. Reinstall the battery if removed and plug in the power adapter. Try turning on the laptop. Step number 3. Check for physical damage. Examine the laptop for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks on the screen, bent ports, or liquid spills. Number 4. Basic hardware checks. Connect an external monitor to check if there is an issue with the laptop's display. Test peripherals like a mouse and keyboard to see if they work. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.